Hello and welcome to another Paddocks Club video tutorial. My name is Jennifer Paddock and today we're going to be looking at a case study on how to protect exclusive use rights to parking bays. This was a situation described on the discussion forum by David Nahati. A scheme has 30 residential sections, 20 parking bays are subject to Section 27 rule-based exclusive use rights, whilst 15 parking bays are unregulated. Owners and occupiers without rights to exclusive use parking bays park wherever they like, including on private bays. So the question is, who polices these transgressions, the trustees or the owners? The exclusive use rights are held by owners and therefore it is their responsibility to ensure that no one trespasses on their bays. The trustees are not policemen and do not have the power to physically stop someone illegally parking on someone else's bay. So how can owners protect their exclusive use parking bays? It's up to each individual owner to decide how he or she protects their rights, but here are some suggestions. Number 1. Make sure the bay is clearly marked with your section number or name on it. You will need to get the prior written consent of the trustees before placing a sign on the parking bay. This is in terms of Prescribed Conduct Rule 6. Number 2. Place a lockable fold-down bollard on the bay which effectively blocks the bay when your car is not on it. You will need prior written consent of the trustees to do this in terms of Prescribed Management Rule 68(1)(6). Trustees are not entitled to unreasonably withhold this consent, and if they do, you can start arbitration on the issue, but the costs are an important consideration. Number 3. If you can rally the support of enough owners, pass a rule that provides for fining owners for parking transgressions. This can be passed as a conduct rule, but because of the common law notions of fairness, for example, let both sides be heard and so on, it is recommended that it is drafted by an attorney to ensure that it is enforceable. Number 4. Arbitration. If the same person continually parks in your bay and you have tried all the other channels, arbitration in terms of Prescribed Management Rule 71 may be your last resort, although once again, the price may not make it worthwhile. And number 5, a fun one, which we definitely don't recommend, but we laughed at when we heard it. Park them in, and then, when they come to ask you to move your car so they can get out, refuse to do so until they have paid you rent for parking in your space. True story. Thanks for your time. If you have any questions, please post them on the discussion forum or any comments or suggestions which may help others. Thank you. Goodbye.